Hello guys, this video is about recursive linear search. We will scan the array recursively, and if the matching element found, we will return the index of the element. If we cannot find an element that matches the key, we will return -1. Let's start. New class, linear search recursive. Recursively scan the array to find the key. If found, return index. Otherwise, return -1. Array declaration. And fill array function. Object. To fill the array. Same way, we will create a constructor with 3 parameters: public, linear, search, recursive, int min, int max, and int size. Create an array of size elements, fill with min, max, range of random numbers. Allocate array. Size. Object creation. New fill array. Okay, fill the array. This dot fill array dot fill array. Okay, this will fill the array in the range of min max numbers as we did before by calling the function. Okay, now we will search recursively. First we need two functions, one to wrap the recursive function. Okay, public int search, int key, wrapper function to use the recursive function. Key to search, return index of found element or -1. Okay, we simply return search the recursive function, pass array, or we cannot pass array, it does not matter because it is a class member. So we pass index starting index is 0 and the key. Okay, we write this function here in a private access so that it is not visible outside the class. Int search, int index, int key. Okay, this function recursively scan the array and find the match. If found, return index, otherwise return -1. Okay, base case. Recursive function always ends at a base case, so we need two base cases here. Base case 1, if we cannot find the element, if index is greater than or equal to array dot length, we return -1. Base case 2, success, this is failure. If array index is equal to key, we return index. Okay, now recursive step. Okay, we match the array with the index. It does not match, So we iterate to the next element. So we return the recursive call. Recursive is calling the same function from within itself. Search index plus 1 and key. So this repeats till we meet one of the base case. Okay, let helper function to generate a random number in the range public int generate int min int max. Okay, we return this dot fill array dot generate random number. We use this to search generate a random number in the range. Okay, now we will create the test class. Test linear recursive search. Okay, we can use the main method from the previous class we used in the linear search. So test linear search, we copy the main method and we will alter the code to use the recursive function. It will save time. Okay, so here we have a range of min and max 1 to 30 and the size 50. We created the linear search. Here we will create linear search recursive. Okay, next we will print the array as usual. Okay, we're missing print function. Let me add it. Linear search recursive public void print array this dot fill array dot print. Okay, now we printed. We don't need this one because I already wrote a helper function. Okay, we generate random number, so we use the search dot generate. Okay, search the function. Okay, see here we have the search function. We are not calling the recursive function directly. We are using the wrapper function. We wrote a wrapper function here. This is private function. This is recursive function. We call this function from here. Okay, we will use this function because it has a public visibility. Okay, same way we run the class to see the output. Okay, this is the output of the class. Okay, we find and we print the index. If we does not find, we notify the user that the number does not exist within the array. Okay, this is the linear search that scans the array starting from the first element to the end of the array. If the matching key found, return its index. If the matching key does not exist, it will return -1. Next, I will do the iterative binary search. Let's